So, hi, I'm Gisela Galar, and this is my activity. For exercise 1, identifying addressing modes. Move AXBX. Register addressing mode. It directly moves data between two registers. Then, move AX to 1234H. Direct addressing mode. It directly accesses memory using a specific memory address. Move ALSI. Register in direct addressing mode. It used the SI register to point to the memory location to be accessed. Then move BP plus DI or add DI AX. It is base index addressing mode, combines base register BP and index register DI to calculate memory address. Then we have move CX BX plus SI plus 08H or BX add to SI and then add it to 08H. It is also base index addressing mode. With displacement uses BX and SI registers with an additional 8-bit displacement. Then we have move DI AX. It is registered in direct addressing mode. Uses DI register to point to the memory location for storing AX. Then we have move AX BP subtract to 10H or minus 10H. It is also or it is base index addressing mode. With negative displacement uses BP register with a negative displacement. Then move AX 5678H, which is immediate addressing mode. Directly loads an immediate value into the register. And lastly, we have move AX BX. It is registered in direct addressing mode. Then we have the exercise number 2. And store the value 0x55AA into the AX register. So it become move AX 55AAH. Then the value 55AAH is hard coded and transferred to AX in a single instruction. So, sabi, yung 55AAH, ta-transfer mo lang to AX. Then, register addressing. It says that copy the contents of BX into AX. So, it becomes move AX BX. Contents of BX are transferred to AX without accessing memory. It's like also immediate addressing but without accessing memory. Direct addressing. Move the value stored at memory location 1234H into AX. So it become move AX with the colon I1234H. So it is different from them. The value at memory address 1234H is loaded into AX. Register in direct addressing. Access the memory location pointed to by SI and store its value in AX. So it becomes move AX then SI. So it uses a register to point to the memory location. The memory address is determined by the contents of SI. The number 5, we have index addressing. Retrieve a value from the memory address pointed by the sum of DI and the displacement of 10H and store it in AL. So it becomes move AL DI add to 10H. So di add mo sa 10H, then it will be copied to or moved to AL. The number 6 is base index addressing. Access memory using the sum of bx and si and move the value into ax. So it becomes move ax, bx, add si. Then, so yung bx tapos yung si, binag-add lang to determine the memory location from which data is retrieved. So yung value na makukuha pag pinag-add mo yung bx at si, imo-move mo sa ax. Then, we we're now in exercise number 3, which is address calculation. Given the base address 1000H, segment address 2000H, and a displacement of 0010H. So, number 1, compute the physical address for the instruction. Move AX 1000H in direct addressing mode. So, ang naging offset is 2000H to 1000H. Then, ang nangyari, 2000H multiply by 10H. Then, yung pa-plus mo siya or i-add mo siya sa 1000H. Kaya, naging, ang value or ang calculated address niya is 21,000 or 21000H. Then, number 2, we have compute the physical address for move AX. Then, you have to add BX, SI, and then 10H with BX, the value is 1234H. And then, sa SI naman, ang value niya is 4321H. So, ang naging offset, you have to add muna yung BI, SI, and then 10H. So, 1234H plus 4321H plus 10H, the value is 5555H. Then, sa physical address, so, we have to calculate muna yung 2000H, multiply mo sa 10H, then ipa-plus mo yung value na nakuha mong sasagot sa BX, add SI, and then add 10H. So, yun yung 5555H. So, ang kinalabasan is, or ang calculated address nila is 25555H. Then, now we are in exercise number 4, debug and analyze. Analyze the following code snippet and answer the questions. So, we identify the addressing modes used in each instruction. So, sa move AX SI, ang addressing mode na ginamit niya is register in direct addressing mode. Then, sa move SI 2000H is gumamit naman siya ng immediate addressing mode. Then, add AX SI plus 10H is a base index addressing mode. Move DI AX is for register in direct addressing mode. Then, bali, ang naging value calculation or if the value at memory location 2000H is 1234H and at 2000H plus 10H is 5678H, what will be the final value of AX? So, at first, the initial value is 1234H, which is SI to 2000H. Then, ang kinalabasan, 1234H. Then yung SI, inad mo naman sa 10H to or multiply to 2010H. Ang value niya is now 5678H. AX initially 1234H. So, after add AX, you have to add AX or so yung value na 'di ba 5678H, a-add mo na yung AX. Yung value ng AX is 567AH. So, pag pinag-plus na yung 1234H or and then 5678H, Ang equals niya is 6h. It was h. Then, lastly, we have exercise number 5, which is practical problem. Write a small assembly program that loads the values 0x abcd into the memory location 3, 3000H. So, naging move 3000H to 0abcdh. Then, retrieve this value using direct addressing mode and store it in AX. So, naging move BX AX. Then, copies the value from AX to BX using register addressing mode. So, naging siyang move BX AX. Store the value in BX at the memory location pointed by DI using register in direct addressing mode. So, assume DI is 4000H. So, ang, sa huli, ang naging ano niya is move DI BX. Di ba? So, here are the explanation for exercise number 5. For step 1, it load the value 0x abcd into memory location 3000H. So, kaya siya naging move 3000H to 0abcdh. In-store niya yung value ng 0x abcd into memory at 3000H. Then sa step 2 naman, retrieve the value from memory location 3000H into AX, which is direct addressing mode. Kaya siya naging move AX 3000H is nagload ng value at memory location in 3000H into AX. Then sa step 3 naman, kaya siya naging move BX AX is kinapi lang yung value ng AX to BX. So yung value ng AX, minove mo lang or kinapi mo lang sa BX. Then step 4, kaya naman siya naging move DI 4000H is I set DI to point to memory location 4000H, or it store the value of BX into memory at the at address in DI. So that's all. Thank you.